in life out of nowhere? Let me explain. It was during the cold winters in the Himalayas one day. Out of nowhere, I had an urge to go out for a run. The weather was freezing cold, somewhere around 5 degrees. It was snowing up north, and the wind was blowing. The chances of getting myself in trouble was really high, but I didn't care about the weather. Somehow, I just wanted to go out and run. I didn't knew at that time that this single action would change my life. Now you may be wondering what's so great about running. And I totally agree. It's painful and it's voluntary suffering. I would rather be inside a cozy blanket sipping warm tea. For a very long time, I was really interested in self discovery. As a human being, there are a lot of things that we don't know about ourselves. What are we really capable of? Is there something that I am missing out on? My search took me to a lot of places through books. I met great characters and got involved in stories and scenes. And a pattern emerged among some of the bright minds in the world. It was that they all has a habit of running. Haruki Murakami is one of the very interesting writer that I have come across. He was an ordinary person turned writer, and in one of his memoirs, What I Talk About When I Talk About Running, he expresses his love for long distance running. And I came across his book somewhere around this time, and the idea about running just got stuck in my head. I asked myself, can someone really run that long? I had to find out by myself. I set up a date on my calendar to run my first half marathon. It was around 30 kilometers, and I decided that I would train for 3 weeks. So, for the next 3 weeks, I would go out and run around 10 to 12 kilometers. It was amazing. It was freedom. Although I was not chained to anything, I always feel like I was stuck at something, whether it was work, university, or home. But when I am running, I felt true freedom. And just like the clouds in the sky, various thoughts come and go. I would keep running. I had known about meditation and what it does to the mind. When I came across this experience, I knew that I have found a new way to meditate. The feeling was incredible, and completing my first 30 kilometers run in the hills opened up my mind and truly helped me expand my limits and what I thought was possible for someone ordinary to achieve. What are the qualities to become successful at anything? Being smart and talented alone can never make someone successful, but persistence, consistency, and hard work will. And these are exactly the qualities that grows in a person that runs. I was suddenly in a battle with myself. Do I want to quit, or will I overcome and become triumphant?